2018, number 6, part A. So this is a Maclaurin series. You know, Maclaurin and Taylor series are the difference between A, B, and BC. They're one of the main differences. So that's why there's always going to be a Maclaurin or Taylor series question on a standard BC exam. I'm not sure how the change is going to affect that, because they said something like they're testing over the first 90% of the curriculum or something. I think there are some Maclaurin series, Taylor series questions, but not all of it. I don't really have the details on that, but I think we should expect something Maclaurin-y. Anyway, so here's what we have. They gave us a Maclaurin series, and they defined this other function, ln of 1 plus x over 3. So this one is ln of 1 plus x. And then it says, write the first 4 non-zero terms for the Maclaurin series for f. So the main thing that a couple people did is they worked too hard. They worked with this and found f prime and f double prime and f triple prime, which involves a product rule, and it's a big mess, and then f prime of 0 and all that. You don't have to do any of that. So if you looked at the solution, basically what you have to do is take this expansion that they gave you and replace the x with x over 3 and then multiply through by x. All right, so here's the expansion that they gave you, the series that they gave you. If we want x ln of 1 plus x over 3, we're just going to replace all the x's with x over 3's, and we need to get 4 terms. So let's just put here f of x equals, and we'll just put the x out here, x times, and then so we'll just replace x with x over 3. That means we're going to replace this is a minus, x squared we're going to replace with x over 3 squared. We have over 2, and then the x cubed. Of course, you can simplify this as you go along. Some people did. Simplify it sort of in advance. We want 4 terms, it says. So then we have x over 3 to the 4th power over 4. So how much of this we have to simplify, I don't really know in this case, because you have this variable, and no matter how much we simplify it, the variable is going to be in there. So I don't know how much we're going to be required to simplify it. We'll look at the solution and see what they did. But I would be tempted to simplify it, reasonably. So we have x over 3 minus, and then x squared over 9 times 2, so it's going to be x squared over 18. And then I'm going to have 3 cubed over times 3, so I'm going to have x cubed over 27. And then I'm going to have 81 times 4, which is 324, right? So x fourth over 324. And then we multiply through by the x. So it's going to be x squared over 3 minus x cubed over 18 plus x fourth over 27 minus x fifth over 324. That's our first 4 non-zero terms is what they asked us for, right? The first 4 non-zero terms. Okay, and that's what we've done here. So, in terms of simplification, I don't really know what we need to do here, because these results are not numerical. See, if we had a numerical value up here and these were all numbers, we would not have to simplify it. But because it's a variable, I don't know what we're expected to do. So the safe thing would be to bring it down to here.